Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GSKY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Rough one for this one with the gap down, and then after the gap down, the price just continued to bleed for a little bit. However, the late day action happened where the price finally did level off, and then the final 30 minutes occurred where you can see right there, volume came pouring back in, and then got a nice little green candle there. So that definitely brings about the question now of, is this the start of something, bigger? Is some sort of, tradable bounce really kind of, warming up the engines? Now, don't get me wrong. I really wish I could say trading was this easy where, if a price gets beat down and then all of a sudden it goes sideways and then the final portion of the day it shows some strength and it's guaranteed to, create a big bounce. If only it were that easy. But is it at least logical to right now to think something that might happen? Yeah, absolutely. Case in point, let's just say that right now the price still just looked like this, where it's just going down, down, down. And I sit here saying, hey, look at this. It's showing a sign of strength. Maybe there could be a great bounce tomorrow. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? All it's doing is going straight down. But obviously in this case, that's not what's going on. The price did level out and is showing some strength. So again, is that a guarantee that there's some sort of bigger bounce that's coming? No such thing as a guarantee, but it is at least a logical thought to have at this point in time. So as far as supports are concerned, key level of support going into Wednesday going to be right there at 645, and that's just important for no other reason other than the fact of, that's where the bleeding finally stopped and the price leveled off. Now, in the event the price gets more follow-through here from that final 30 minutes, next key level of resistance to watch going forward going to be right up there at that $7 mark. If 7 can be broken after that next key overarching level, not that far away, but right around $7.25. And then after $7.25, no such thing as a guarantee, but at that point, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price potentially make its way up to at least $8, if not higher. But one hurdle at a time, and the first key hurdle, like I said, it's just first off getting up above the $7 mark and then turning your attention quickly to $7.25. But there's no doubt about it, that final 30 minutes definitely puts a bullish little twist on things and makes it quite unique. So we'll see if this is, like I said, the engine's warming up here for a bigger type, snapback bounce. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.